Oh, I've got a big hole in it.
I'm a big worm.
Who's filming?
Alright, here, I'm gonna film Landon.
Yeah. What? You're gonna kill us, Carter.
Alright. Here, hold this. Wait, no, I mean hold this.
Oh, hold this. Okay.
Y'all need to open up that gate.
This is how you do
Yeah.
it.
Get ready to run.
Oh, come here. No. Okay, no.
Here, I'll get you all now.
Who's gonna try one?
River! Oh! No, no, no,
Oh,
no.
they're coming.
No, they're good, they're good. We're dead, yeah.
I mean, it's not like a
I am. Here, come on, Gavin, I'll follow you.
fall down at once.
Oh, there.
There's one. They're swarming.
Here, I'll be...
Oh, come on, Gavin.
That's scary, huh?
Come on, Landon.
Oh, you gotta open up this gate.
No!
Kevin, what are you doing?
Yeah, it is.
Hey, wait, you're the fence door at
Yeah. Oh. I don't think so. But I'm gonna grab some of this. Carter, I think we're good.
Might be the best option here.
Alright, who's next? Who's next? Here, Landon. Would you mind holding this?
Well, hold on, let me.
Oh, wait, no. Wait, we got Gavin in here.
I need a bigger stick. A longer one.
I need a bigger stick. Alright, River. Wait, River's going. Come on, Landon. Alright, River, you ready? Alright, here's River. Here, hold this.
Kevin's taking some sniper shots.
Alright, we'll do one more. Okay, you think I should do another?
Sure.
Alright.
Oh, they're like. There's a few on you, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They are. They're coming.
I just start swarming on my head. This is smart.
Okay, listen. I'm gonna take that bowl, fill it up with gravel, and then just like, you know.
Then let's do it.
Yeah. Well, maybe not that bowl. Let's the dog's water.
Alright, Carter, show us then.